guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Ariana and I want to show you another super easy Halloween tutorial, which is a candy corn. Candy corn? Yes, candy corn. So bend down and now spin. So I hope you like this tutorial and let's get started. I started off by having the hair split straight down the middle, and from temple down to the ear I created another part line. The rest of the hair is tied into two high ponytails. Spray water and argan oil on your working section and I will brush it out to keep the flyaways at bay. Now with the comb make another part line so you have a shape of a triangle by the forehead. Clip the rest of the hair out of the way and tie this section with a white elastic. Now the remaining section of the hair I need to split in half. So for now tie the bottom out of the way with the hair clip. And I'm going to orient my brush by where the white elastic is and make another section, make another part line separating this section in two. Now split your ponytail in half and combine one half with your section and tie them together with orange elastic, and the same on the other side. Out of the next section we will need to make two more part lines, and once again I'm orienting my brush where the orange elastic is, so make one part line and the same on the other side, also lining up my brush with that orange elastic and making another part line. Now out of the bottom a section, brush it out, split one of your ponytails in half, save one half out of the way for now, and combine the second half with your section and tie them with yellow elastic. The middle section, take half of the ponytail from one orange ponytail and half of a ponytail from another orange ponytail and tie them together with the yellow elastic, and secure the rest of the hair and half of the ponytail from orange ponytail together with yellow elastic. Now tie all three ponytails to your high ponytail with another elastic. And as usual I like to hide my hair ties, so I'm using a topsy tail tool, taking a small section from the ponytail and wrapping it around the hair tie, and thread the end through the loop and pull the topsy tail out. Let's give it a final spin. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials are being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down in the description box, and we will see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!